If you got an Accu Chek glucometer and if it is damaged within the warranty period, in that case, how to claim the warranty to either repair it or to replace it. I have already replaced it and I have got the new Accu Chek glucometer. Mine one is Accu Chek Active. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you that how to claim the warranty and to get the free replacement of your Accu Chek glucometer. Stay tuned and keep watching. Don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family, and also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, what was happening from my side, a few months back my glucometer was not working totally. The battery was full. I replaced with a new battery. Till the my glucometer was not turning on. So I tried to figure out but it didn't work. In a word, my glucometer was totally damaged, and also I tried to clean up the lens from where the light comes up and tried replacing a new battery that is a just like a cell battery. Then what I did, I just called at their toll-free number, which is always written inside their box. I hope you can see here. It states the number. The toll-free number is 1-800-120-6020. This is toll-free number. And if you don't want to call, you can also SMS. You have to write down HELP help, and you have to send it to 5757535, and that SMS is already chargeable. For my case, the toll-free number was good, so I just called at that number, and one representative just received my call. And make sure when you are calling, you have to keep your glucometer handy, that you can provide all the information to that executive. So in my case, that executive listened everything, and he just tried to solve via phone. He tried to just replace the battery. I told that I have already done it. He told me to clean up the lens. I also told that I have cleaned it. Then he said okay, and at the last he tried to make me this thing. You have to press the M and S button to check all the displays working fine or not. It will give all the icons at a time, but it was not turning on. In a word, the glucometer was totally damaged. Then the executive was convinced and took a complaint. Instantly he raised replacement request, cause all the glucometer from the Accu Chek stays up to 10 years of guarantee, not a warranty. What is guarantee? Guarantee means totally replaceable, not any repair, nothing. So the return request was received. I had to tell my contact number, and always give a permanent contact number which you have, which your primary number. Then I told my address. Make sure you are telling the address correctly, full address with the pin code. And after that the call was hanged, and in my mobile one SMS came about the return request. There had a case ID, so my return request was accepted, and return request was in process. So what's next? So next is, obviously you can understand, you will get a new glucometer, but you have to return it, correct? So return is also very easy, and there's a twist. So obviously it will be delivered by any courier partner, and their courier partner is Blue Dart or Express Biz or Pharmacy Courier. Yes, Pharmacy, that online medicine portal site. You are hearing correct. So if you have pharmacy service in your city, then it will be delivered by pharmacy mainly. If there are no pharmacy courier service available, then it will be delivered by Blue Dart or Express Biz. Okay, so in my case, pharmacy service was there. So after placing the request, instantly you have to put it inside a cardboard packing. You have to make it safe packaging, and on that pack, means parcel pack, you have to mention your full address with contact number and the case ID which you have received via SMS. And that's it, and stay ready when your courier person comes and just picks it up. For my case, the courier person came after 2 days of placing the return request. The twist is that the courier person will deliver the new meter instantly and will pick up that old meter at the same time. So there is no waiting time that they will pick up your meter and you will have to wait for a few more days, then your new meter will come to your address. Nothing, it will be replaced instantly. The new meter will be handed over to you by that courier person, and the old meter will be picked up instantly. So I received it within 3 days. If you are living in a rural area or semi-rural area or urban city, it maybe get some delayed, but if you are living in city or moderate town, then it will be completed within 2 to 4 days. Maximum you can consider up to 6 days. So yes, I just got a replacement. Totally it was a new packing, and it was all with the Accu Chek branding, and it was a seal pack. So what comes inside, let me show you in the next clip. So guys, here you can see this is the outer layer cardboard box packing for extra safety of the inside replacement box pack. There stays no name sticker on the outside box. Inside you will see the new Accu Chek Glucometer box pack like this. You can see this is the original box pack and clearly written this is a replacement unit and not for sale. And there are company hologram logo sealed too. Wow, that's awesome. And along with box pack there will stay a invoice. You can see on behalf of Accu Chek, Swifto is dealing for the replacement cases. You can see there it is clearly written active replacement set. Active is my meter name. However, inside the box pack of this replacement unit, there are the all new replaced glucometer, one user manual and one new hard glucometer case. I hope you can see on the screen. The glucometer always comes with the new battery inserted from the factory, so you don't need to worry about the new battery insertion. You can see it is functioning quite okay. One more thing, I just forgot to tell that when you are making the parcel box for your old meter, then you need to give only the meter and nothing else. Just keep everything else to your side. Just hand over the old meter by packing inside the parcel box. If you have any coding chip based old Accu Chek glucometer, then you will get no coding meter. I think this will make you happy. Hence, you can use your every old tools related to this glucometer with the new one. When you are getting your new glucometer, make sure you test the display first time like this by pressing M and S button both together. However, this way it comes as a replacement unit of your old damaged glucometer of Accu Chek. Here I am just using all of my old stuffs from old meter with the new one, which you can see clearly. I hope you have got the Accu Chek glucometer's replacement box concept. Keep watching. So guys, you have just seen what comes inside the new replacement box. This box is not for sale, which is clearly written on the box, which I have just showed you. So that's the way you can get your replacement of your damaged or not working Accu Chek glucometer, and you have to just call them. You have to just make the packaging ready, and it will be delivered within next 2 to 3 days. But before calling them, make sure you have the good battery in your glucometer. Try to replacing with the new battery, and till if it doesn't work, then you have to call. Also make sure you clean your glucometer lens frequently with a good alcohol based swab stick, and till if it doesn't work, you can follow this process. So that's the way you can claim your guarantee on your Accu Chek glucometer. It doesn't matter what glucometer you have, either it is Accu Chek Instant or Accu Chek Active or any other Accu Chek glucometer. Just go ahead and follow this process. I hope you have found this video helpful. If it was helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button below, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel. Also, I have noticed that you guys were commenting that how to solve the U1 error. I will make that video separately, how to solve the U1 error if you are getting. There are several reasons for that U1 error. So I will make a separate video. That's why you have to subscribe my channel to get the notification. So that's all for today. I hope to meet you soon in my next video. Stay happy, stay safe.